So this is Ford Figo 2012 model diesel 1.4 liter engine. We are going to completely do the restoration of this car. Completely we changed the color and we are doing complete alteration for this, and it's almost the paint is gone here in some other places also, but car engine and other parts and all conditions are very good. So customer want to do a restoration with new colorings and a new type of designs. So we are going to complete this project. Ford Figo interior part. So the seat covers and all very old, and it's already damaged, and the backside seats also looking very old, and the floorings and mats, everything, the life is gone. And we are going to change the complete Ford Figo original company audio to Android audio, and we are giving some colorings to the silver parts in for audio player panel and AC vents, door panels and all, everything. So we are going to do some theme for interior also. So change the seat, we'll change the seat covers also. So now we completely restored the 2012 Ford Figo. So we completely changed the color, lights and interiors, everything we are going to see now. So this is the Venom green. It's look like a green and blue mixed. So it's one of the different kind of color. And we changed the original Ford font logo to horse. This is the original Ford logo. And we installed the angle eye HID projector, and below one we installed the fog lamp. This is the low beam and high beam is there. So this is the complete view of this car. And the front we installed the skid plates, and the side we installed the sport batch here, and the side skids also installed. And even wheel also we changed this wheel cup to Ford logo with Figo in, and interior that drum and all red painted. So this is the back side of the view. This is the pure Venom edition, because this green color is Venom green, so we given a name called Venom edition. And this is the gel plates we installed, and same like this normal Ford logo changed to original logo. So now it's look like very sporty. And the above of the car we install the titanium series font, because this is the top end model titanium. So we installed. And the back one monster spoiler, we actually, it's a custom made, it's not available, specially made it for Figo. So we installed this one for monster spoiler. And the back tail lamps completely smoked. This is totally smoked. So now let me go and see the interior. This parts be completely hydro dipped. So the AC vents and the main audio panel and every 4 doors, that switch panels and all completely hydro dipped. And in the steering one we installed the steering buttons, we installed it, so it's working very fine. And in steering center also we installed the Ford logo, that horse one logo. And the gear knob is changed, it's quite different near knob, it's very height. And the 10-inch Android audio we installed. And of course seat covers totally changed, it's a honeycomb leather, and custom printed design, and the armrest installed center, and back one also we given the 100% cushion extra, and we install the honeycomb leather and custom made pattern, and the of course custom made noodles mat installed, legroom lights installed. So completely painted this one. Let me show you how this steering buttons function.
Dress material and western wear.
So everything is working fine, and so this is mute, all buttons are available, and this side you can attend the call cut and home button and a screen off. All buttons are available and everything is working fine. And we installed inside this steering button, so it's a rubber made, so we can cut it, and did custom made job for this steering button, so it can't come outside. So the everything, this panels and steering above below that AC, everything is hydro dipped, and this gear knob and box also we completely hydro dipped. So this is the completely custom made car.